Salah, it also increases the brotherhood and the fraternity, unity among the Muslims. When different people of the community come together, it increases the love and compassion between them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 13. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله يتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. O mankind, we have created you from a single pair of a male and female and divided you into nations and tribes so that you may know each other, not that you may despise each other. And the most honored among you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. And Allah is all-knowing, well-acquainted. The criterion for judgment in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's not caste, it's not color, it's not wealth, it's not sex, but it is righteousness. It is God consciousness. It is taqwa. It is piety. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Humazah, chapter number 104, verse number 1. وَيْلُلْ لِكُلِّ هُمَزَةٍ لُمَزَةٍ. Woe to every kind of scandal monger and backbiter. So Salah restrains us from scandal mongering and backbiting. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 11 and 12. يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا لَا يَسْخَرْ قَوْمٌ مِّنْ قَوْمٍ عَسَىٰ أَن يَكُونُوا خَيْرًا مِّنْهُمْ وَلَا نِسَاءٌ مِّن نِّسَاءٍ عَسَىٰ أَن يَكُنَّ خَيْرًا مِّنْهُنَّ وَلَا تَلْمِزُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ وَلَا تَنَابَزُوا بِالْأَلْقَابِ بِئْسَ الْإِسْمُ الْفُسُوقُ بَعْدَ الْإِيمَانِ وَمَن لَّمْ يَتُبْ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ. O you who believe, let not some men laugh at the others. It may be that the latter may be better than the former. Nor let some women laugh at the others. It may be that the latter may be better than the former. And do not defame each other, nor be sarcastic to one another, nor call others by offensive nicknames. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala further says in verse number 12, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اجْتَنِبُوا كَثِيرًا مِّنَ الظَّنِّ إِنَّ بَعْضَ الظَّنِّ إِثْمٌ وَلَا تَجَسَّسُوا وَلَا يَغْتَبْ بَعْضُكُمْ بَعْضًا أَيُحِبُّ أَحَدُكُمْ أَن يَأْكُلَ لَحْمَ أَخِيهِ مَيْتًا فَكَرِهْتُمُوهُ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ تَوَّابٌ رَحِيمٌ. O you who believe, avoid suspicion, for suspicion in most cases is a sin. And do not spy on each other, and do not speak ill about each other behind their backs. That is backbiting. And Allah further says that, would you like to eat the dead meat of your own brother? Nay, you would abhor it. So if you do backbiting, if you speak ill about your brother behind his back, it is as if you're eating the dead meat of your own brother. And eating dead meat is prohibited. So if you eat the dead meat of your own brother, it is a double sin. And even the cannibals did not eat the dead meat of their own brothers. So if you do backbiting, it is as if you're eating the dead meat of your own brother. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala further says that nay, you would abhor it. So Salah restrains us from many evil things.